Tata Motors is in focus as U.S. President Donald Trump delayed the tariff of 50% on EU until July 9th. Interestingly, July 9th is the day when 90-day pause on Trump's reciprocal tariff comes to an end. This has brought Tata Motors' Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, in focus, as it has a significant exposure to the U.S. market. JRL exports to U.S. goes majorly from UK to U.S. Trump had announced a 25% tariff on automobile imports into the U.S. in April. JRL has resumed shipments to the U.S. earlier this month. The U.S. is the second biggest importer of cars made in UK. For the new financial year, though, Tata Motors is said to have mentioned that the outlook on JLR will be shared during its investor meet on June 16th. Zomato's share has been under focus during today's trade as the stock was seen under pressure, based on reports that the stock could see significant passive outflows. Russell recently announced a reduction in Eternal's weight across multiple indices. FTSE Russell's rebalancing could possibly trigger passive outflows worth $380 million. The weightage reductions is seen because of the company's decision to cap total foreign ownership at 49.5% on a fully diluted basis. Balakrishna Industries' share seems to be under pressure. This seems to be based on comments from Nomura. The company's strategic move to enter the truck and car, tire markets shows a huge shift from its core off-highway tire business. It is noteworthy that this segment is dominated by established players in India, which could result in heavy competition and reduced profit margin in coming days. The announcement by Balakrishna Industries also means the company needs to make high-cost investments and needs to build the brand to become a competitive player, again which may result in profit-taking hit. Groww has filed draft papers with markets regulator SEBI for IPO, estimated to be around $700 million to $1 billion. The IPO is a combination of a fresh issue and offer for sale, OFS. The initial investors in the company includes Peak 15, Tiger Capital, and Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. As per company, they plan to use the capital from IPO in technology development and business expansion. Groww has appointed JP Morgan India Private Limited, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, Citigroup and Axis Capital Limited, and Motilal Oswal Securities to manage the offering. The Leela Hotels IPO opens today. They aim to raise 3,500 crore Indian rupees. With 2,500 crore Indian rupees fresh issue and 1,000 crore Indian rupees offer for sale. The Leela Hotels IPO comes in a price band of 413 Indian rupees to 435 Indian rupees per share, with a lot size of 34 shares per lot. The company plans to use the proceeds from IPO to pay loans worth nearly 2,300 crore Indian rupees. The government has approved an 8.25% interest rate for the money you've saved with EPFO, which is great news for more than 7 crore people. This interest for the year 2024 to 25 will be put into your EPF account soon. Basically, the EPFO's board suggested this rate in February, and once the Finance Ministry gives its final nod, EPFO credits the interest to everyone's accounts. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button to express your support and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.